Supercars dream machines that command attention, speed, and luxury. But behind the shiny exteriors and powerful engines, there's a reality that many don't talk about. While these cars are designed to give you an adrenaline rush, owning one comes with its own set of challenges. From sky-high repair bills to reliability issues, supercars can sometimes be more trouble than they're worth. In today's video, we'll take a closer look at the hidden faults that many supercar owners face. Whether you're thinking of buying one or just curious about what goes on behind the scenes, this is the essential guide to understanding the risks of owning a supercar. 10. Expensive maintenance costs. Owning a supercar can be an expensive lifestyle. While the initial price tag may take a chunk out of your savings, the real cost comes with maintenance. High-end cars like Lamborghinis, Ferraris, and McLarens require special parts and highly skilled labor for repairs, which drives up the cost of maintenance significantly. Even routine services, such as oil changes, brake pads, or tire replacements, can cost thousands of dollars. Supercar manufacturers often recommend using only brand-specific parts and specialized service centers, adding to the overall costs. For example, replacing a Ferrari's brake pads can cost upwards of $5,000, while routine oil changes can be over $1,500. This is something to consider if you're thinking about purchasing one. 9. Unreliable electronics and infotainment systems. In the age of advanced technology, supercars are packed with electronics and high-tech features. But here's the catch: many supercars, particularly the high-end Italian models, have a reputation for unreliable electronics. From glitchy infotainment systems to sensors and wiring failures, these issues can cause frustration for owners. For instance, Lamborghini's infotainment system has faced criticism for being slow, buggy, and difficult to use. The navigation system may freeze, or the Bluetooth connectivity might fail, leaving you stranded in the middle of nowhere. The reliance on digital interfaces means that when something goes wrong, fixing it can often be expensive and time-consuming. 8. Uncomfortable ride quality. Supercars are built for speed, performance, and handling, but this focus often comes at the expense of ride comfort. Due to their low ground clearance and stiff suspension systems, these cars can be extremely uncomfortable for daily driving. While they excel on smooth, racecourse-like roads, city streets or poorly paved highways can be a different story. Ferraris, McLarens, and Lamborghinis are notorious for their bumpy rides, which can make long trips or daily commutes uncomfortable. The stiff suspension is often not adjustable in many models, and even when it is, it doesn't always offer a smooth experience. If you're looking for a supercar that doubles as a daily driver, be prepared to tolerate this trade-off in comfort. 7. Risk of engine overheating. Supercars are built to perform at high speeds and extreme conditions. However, they are not immune to overheating problems, especially when pushed too hard or when the cooling systems are underperforming. Many supercars, especially older models, have issues with their cooling systems that can cause the engine to overheat during long drives or hot weather. Overheating can lead to catastrophic engine failure, especially in high-performance engines that run at much higher temperatures than regular cars. Over time, the cooling fans, radiators, and fluid pumps can wear out. If not maintained properly, this can cause irreparable damage to the engine, resulting in costly repairs or even a full engine replacement. 6. Expensive and frequent tire replacements. High-performance tires are critical for maximizing the handling and speed of a supercar, but they wear out much faster than regular tires. Supercar tires are often designed to be ultra-grippy, meaning they provide incredible performance, but also wear down quickly, especially if you're driving the car hard. For example, replacing a set of high-performance tires for a McLaren or a Lamborghini can cost up to $3,000 or more. Add in the fact that supercar tires need frequent replacements, and the cost can quickly add up. If you're someone who loves pushing the limits of your supercar, expect to spend a significant amount on tires alone. 5. Low ground clearance. Supercars are built to be fast and aerodynamic, but that low ride height can become a nightmare when it comes to practicality. With low ground clearance, even the slightest bump or curb can result in serious damage to the car's underbody. Driveways, speed bumps, and even certain parking lots can present significant challenges. Some models, like the Lamborghini Huracan or the Ferrari 488, have such low clearance that the front spoiler or the exhaust system is prone to scraping. Constantly worrying about damaging your car's undercarriage while navigating normal roads can become an annoying and costly problem. And if you don't take care, those underbody components can be quite expensive to repair or replace. 4. Fragile and expensive carbon fiber parts. One of the most attractive features of supercars is their use of lightweight materials like carbon fiber. While carbon fiber is incredibly strong and light, it's also quite fragile and expensive to replace. Even a small bump or collision can cause significant damage to the carbon fiber body panels, which can then require costly repairs or full replacement. In some models, nearly all external body parts are made of carbon fiber, from the doors and hood to the rear spoilers and diffusers. Repairing or replacing these parts can easily cost tens of thousands of dollars. If you're involved in an accident or the car experiences some wear and tear, you could find yourself paying a hefty price to keep it looking pristine. 3. Frequent clutch problems in manual supercars. Manual transmission supercars, while beloved by enthusiasts for the driving experience they offer, come with a set of challenges that can turn into expensive headaches. One of the most common issues with manual supercars is the clutch, which is subject to extreme wear due to high performance and aggressive driving. In models like the Porsche 911 or Ferrari 430 Scuderia, the clutch can wear out much faster than you'd expect, especially if you're frequently shifting at high revs or performing aggressive driving maneuvers. Replacing a clutch in a supercar can cost thousands of dollars, and the process is often complex, requiring skilled labor. In some cases, if the clutch isn't replaced in time, it can cause significant damage to the transmission, leading to even more expensive repairs. 2. Transmission issues in automatic supercars. While manual transmissions often face clutch issues, automatic transmissions in supercars can also be prone to problems. For instance, many high-end supercars use dual-clutch transmissions DCT, which offer quicker gear shifts, but they come with their own set of issues. These systems are complex and require regular maintenance to keep them running smoothly. Dual-clutch transmissions can experience problems such as delayed shifting, slipping, or overheating if the system isn't properly maintained. If you push the car too hard, the transmission can struggle to keep up with the performance demands, which can lead to premature failure. Rebuilding or replacing the transmission in a supercar can cost tens of thousands of dollars, so it's essential to be proactive about fluid changes and regular servicing. 1. High risk of theft. While this may not be a mechanical issue, it's one of the most significant risks of owning a supercar: the high likelihood of theft. Supercars are prime targets for thieves due to their high value and exclusivity. In fact, some supercars can be stolen and shipped abroad for resale or dismantled for parts, all within a matter of hours. Owners of luxury sports cars are often advised to take extra precautions, such as installing advanced security systems, parking in secure locations, or using steering wheel locks. Even with these precautions, however, the risk of theft is always looming. The high demand for parts and the black market for luxury cars make supercars prime targets for criminals. Supercars may be the ultimate expression of automotive performance, but owning one isn't without its risks. From expensive repairs to fragile parts, uncomfortable rides, and even the threat of theft, there's a lot more to consider than just speed and looks. If you're set on owning one, be prepared for the maintenance costs and potential pitfalls that come with it. Despite these drawbacks, supercars remain some of the most thrilling machines on the road. But before you pull the trigger on that dream car, make sure you're ready to face the hidden faults that can come with it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, share it with fellow car enthusiasts, and subscribe for more inside info on supercars and other amazing vehicles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.